Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install Elementor template kits on your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm currently on the free plan for WordPress. I don't have the option to install plugins, which is what you're going to need. So if you don't have the business plan or anything above it, make sure to subscribe to it. I can't because I don't have the money to justify that purchase, but once you do, you just need to go into plugins and go into marketplace, and then you're going to search for Envato. So just a second, search for Envato, and what you're going to need is Envato Elements, which I'll show you how to install through an article on Envato's official site. Now, to install this, you need to make sure under permalinks the post name is selected. Then you need to go into appearance and themes and add new, and then you need to make sure Hello Elementor is installed. If it's not, just install it and activate Elementor, and then the theme activation will prompt you to install and activate the page builder if you don't have it as well. And yeah, by the way, just download your kit from Elementor first so that you have it at hand. And then once you're done with that, you need to go into Elementor, then go into settings and click the features tab and ensure that the Flexbox container is green. If it's not, set it to active. Then go into plugins and add the Envato Elements plugin. And if the kit requires Elementor Pro, you need to install it and connect it, and that does require a subscription. Then once you're done with that, go into Elements and Settings and make sure all the server limits are green, and any issues will be noted here and it should be directed to your web host to solve any issues. Once you're done with that, then you just need to import your kit that you downloaded, and for that you just go into Elements, Installed Kits, and upload template kit zip file, and the template should appear. If it doesn't, you can fix it by going to Elementor Tools and Import and just follow the prompts to install the original zip file that you downloaded from Envato. And once you're done, that's pretty much it. Just go into your template to check for this orange banner and install any potential requirements. But after that's done, you're pretty much set. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.